Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw basically a Triceratops Among Us character. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners. I'm going to use this regular computer paper and this Crayola brand marker. This stuff is, like I said, super simple, so join me on this journey. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you do like drawing lessons every day. That's it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do this. Curve, line. I'm like obsessed with dinosaurs in my real life. Curve down here. Like, I mean obsessed. Like, you can't really see it in camera, but I have dinosaur figures all over my desk, and I'm gonna prove it by doing this. I'm literally gonna reach out. I've done it before, but got a dinosaur figure there. Got a Styracosaurus. Okay, curve down here. Gonna go reach out one more time, right? Right here. Yep. I literally have them all over my desk because I don't know where to put them anymore. Curve, but I still want them. So they keep coming out, so I mean, I'm gonna have to get them. I know. But that's kind of been my, that's got to be my most, what do you call it? My most passionate thing would be collecting dinosaur figures. I'm gonna start reviewing them on another channel, actually. There's just too many to just have them there for nothing. I mean, well, I mean, I draw them, of course. Straight down for the front of the stomach here. Like, I do draw them and stuff, but it's not like, I think I need to review them really to make them, like, I don't know, I really want to use them more than just drawing them. Curve over here, straight up, curve for the bottom of the body here. We're doing all the bottom stuff because the top's gonna be the hardest technically. Straight down, curve. Gonna follow that line all the way up the back. Alrighty. So let's do the hardest part. It's gonna be this crown of the Triceratops. Well, first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull the horns, and the horns are gonna be relatively simple. It's gonna be a straight, you know, like, come on. There shouldn't be a video on how to draw horns, right? So it's just a triangle shape. Right? Triangular shape. Over here as well. Easy, super easy stuff. There's certain things where there just shouldn't be a video on, you know? That's funny because a lot of my old videos on another channel are really starting to pick up, and I don't know why. There are these ridiculous videos that I made when I first started YouTube 7 years ago. And my first videos are just terrible. And it was stuff like how to draw a tornado. You know, it's just like, right? Terrible stuff. But that stuff is starting to pick up steam, and I don't know why that is. Maybe it's an unironic thing, like making fun of them. Curve out here for the, we're going to do that crown thing, you know, like kind of, it's going to lean back here, then back, you know, we'll see. So I'm going to throw a line diagonal back. So the Triceratops crown, and so it's gonna have a curvature here. The overall arching, kind of, the overall shape is gonna be a curved shape, but along the way we are gonna draw these, I don't know, looks like a cookie starfish shape or something. Go over here for the far end. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I had the vaccine yesterday, and no, the day before, and I had a really tired, you know, like the side effects to the vaccine, like I was really tired, and I was achy, super achy, so it put me out of commission, so that's why I didn't put up as many videos. Curve here, just to kind of show the attachment of that, of the horn, the bone horn part to that. And you can put one down here if you want to. Triceratops. Line over here. Down. Curve. I start putting my face a lot in my thumbnails. I don't know if you noticed that. I'm gonna toy around with that, see if that's a smart thing to do, whether you guys like it or not. I don't know. I will toy with it some more. I do check. I'm gonna throw a line here in the middle of the horn right there, and a line here. So people wonder what that is. What that is that that's a core shadow. Core shadow If you don't know what that is, a core shadow. Let me describe a core shadow real quick. If you don't know what that is, I'm gonna get another piece of paper briefly. Okay, I'll be right back. So a core shadow is like when you have a. Let me see. Actually, let me do something different. Hold on. Bear with me. Forgive me. Let me flip the entire thing over so then you won't see through stuff. Core shadow. So let's just say you have a. Let's just say you have a horn shape. So you have the horn shape, right? This is the bottom right here, let's say. You're looking up at it. So let's just say that there's light coming from this direction. It's not just going to have... Okay, there's light coming from this direction. As soon as the light hits, it's going to bounce off other objects, and the light is going to come back. You know, it's going to come back through it. So it's not going to be through it, it's going to be around the sides. Light is going to bounce off, let's just say, I don't know, the floor or something. And you're going to have light on this side and light on this side of this horn. But the middle here is not going to have any light, usually. Or just a little bit of dark. And so you see that everywhere, and that's called a core shadow. You see it throughout, you know, so there's light and then reflected light coming from the bottom of something, and that creates a core shadow. It just looks really good in drawings as well when you're drawing stuff like that. So we do these cartoonified versions of it, and it just makes everything look good. In case you didn't know what that was, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be, you know, also hit the notification button, or we will never see each other again. I'm sorry. But, you know, I'm going to do one last thing here. I'm going to throw a thick contour line, which is the outer line there. I'm going to throw a thicker contour line around the entire shape. Just thicker contour line. Right around there. Thicker contour line. Kind of makes it look a little bit like a sticker, which, by the way, I probably will develop stickers of this stuff eventually. But yeah, pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hit me up in the comments. I'm Enrique. Basically, I reply to everybody, so reach out strongly, and I'll give you advice on your drawings or anything like that. So talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon. And that is it.